In this video, we're going to look at CRA models for the associative property of addition. So the associative property, if you associate with something, it means you're grouped or paired together. So this is the property that is going to introduce some grouping symbols, the parentheses. So start with the concrete model. So here we have one blue cube, two red cubes, three green cubes. So we're going to add these together. We have 1 plus 2 plus 3. So a concrete model showing the associative property. And so one option is going to be, we'll add the 1 and 2 together first. This is where our parentheses or grouping symbols are going to be. So we'll add these together first. And then when we add that quantity of 3 on, then we get this total quantity of 6. Okay. So the associative property says that we can group these in different ways. We can associate different add-ins together initially. So instead of starting with the 1 and the 2, if we were to start with the 2 and the 3, so if these are associated or grouped together, we can add these together. So the 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then we can add that with the 1, and we have a total of 6 still. Okay, so since the sum of 6 is the same either way, this is demonstrating that associative property. Okay, so that's the concrete model. For a representational model, so I have just some drawings just so we can kind of see the chain here. So again, on the left, I'm going to kind of group the 1 and the 2 together first. So I'll have these 3. I have another 3, and then I'll add what was originally the 1 and the 2, which is now 3. Add this quantity of 3 to the original quantity of 3. So I have a total of 6. Alternatively, I can group or associate the 2 and 3 together, so I'd still have this 1 over here, and then the 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. And then I can add these two quantities together. Okay, so I have 6 on the left-hand side, 6 on the right-hand side, so that's kind of showing I can group or associate those add-ins however I would like. Okay. And then for our abstract model, is just going to be actually written out equations. So again, these parentheses, right, those are our grouping symbols. That's telling us this is where we're going to start. This is our first move. So in that concrete model and the representational model, for this option, I added the 1 and the 2 together first. That created the situation of 3 plus 3. Then I added those together to get 6. Whereas with the second example for both, I still had 1 plus 2 plus 3. I didn't move them, right? I just associated the 2 and 3 together. That's what those brackets are meaning. So then that created the situation where I had 1 plus 5, and then obviously that still equals 6. So since these are equal, right, we have the same sum, that's saying we can use that associative property of addition. So again, concrete model is just, you can use any objects, just add it in different orders. Representational model, you can do just kind of a drawing that's kind of similar to the concrete model. And then our abstract model is going to be the actual equations written out.